Hi everybody. I am going to do a quick walkthrough of the week just to show you where to find everything. Now, my canvas is the teacher view, yours is the student view, and it also looks a little different if you are using the app on the phone, which I really recommend. The app on the phone is pretty good, but follow along and I'll do the best that I can. So when you look from a Chromebook, this is what it looks like. This welcome video is going to be going away soon. But where you need to go each time to start is course modules. This course information will always be here. But I'm going to label each week as week 2, for instance, August 31st to September 4th. The first thing you will see is the weekly agenda. Now, the weekly agenda is completed in a Google Doc, I guess. And the reason that I am doing this is to help you keep organized. So if you want to, hit File, make a copy, save it in your Google Drive, and then you can cross off as you go along. And that's just for you. Now, remember that this serves 3 purposes. Here's Group A, here's Group B, and here's Core. So depending on which group you're in, that depends which section you will look at. And by the way, you're all doing the same work. It will just tell you whether you're in school or working on Canvas. So if I go back to sorry about that. Okay, if I go back a page, I guess it just didn't like that. Under Lesson Resources, this says lecture notes, screencasts, handouts, etc. That's where this video will be. Also here is Pre-Algebra Week 1 packet for students. So if you click on this, here's a PDF of all of the pages that we'll be doing. Now, if you see on the bottom, it's handwritten here, page 1. When I refer to do page 1, that's what I'm talking about. Now, if you are in school, you're going to be getting a paper packet to make it easier. If you are core, you can still get one of these, but you need to make arrangements with me somehow to pick it up. I have plenty of copies for everyone. We just need to figure out how to get them. But if you have a printer, if you are core and you have a printer, just click on this and hit print, staple it up. Okay, the last thing are the 4 assignments for the week. So if you click on the assignment, and I'm organizing it by day. For instance, Monday, August 31st says complete one of the first 3 pages, page 1, page 2, or page 3. You will be doing this, you should be doing this work, without a calculator. That's because it's adding and subtracting. So I know that you can add and subtract with a calculator. I want you to push yourself a little and do this without. So, if you have the packet, okay, you're going to be working right in the packet and filling out the problems. If you are core, or if you're in Group B and you don't have the packet, if you have a printer, print out one of the pages and complete it. If you do not have a printer, and I just realized I'm holding up the wrong packet, but you probably can't see it anyway. If you do not have a printer, that's okay. You can just take a piece of paper, write down your work, and take a picture of that. Just make sure you write your name, page 1 or page 2 or whatever at the top of the paper for me. I don't know that I'm going to be able to show this, but to submit this assignment, it's requiring a file upload. And all that means is that you're going to take a picture of your work, okay, whether you're using the Chromebook or your phone, and then you're uploading that picture for me. And all of those pictures come onto my Canvas and I can grade them. So I am keeping this pretty straightforward. Assignments will be listed Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and the idea is that you can complete each day's assignment as they come. All right, I think I explained everything for the week. I don't have any videos of how to add, subtract, multiply, or divide because that's pretty easy math. This week is really about continuing to make sure everybody's on Canvas and has the technology and the access that they need, and I'm working through all those issues with everyone. So I look forward to seeing you online. Email me if you have questions, and I will see you soon.